Today, we're embarking on a fiery experiment, exploring the transformation of a humble Thai eggplant through the power of fire. As we apply heat to the eggplant, we'll witness a series of fascinating changes. The first noticeable effect is the release of aromatic compounds, which give the eggplant its distinctive earthy and slightly bitter scent. The heat causes the water content within the eggplant to evaporate, leading to the dehydration of the outer skin. This process concentrates the remaining sugars and compounds, intensifying the flavors. As the temperature rises, the eggplant undergoes a process called pyrolysis, where organic matter breaks down into simpler compounds. This process releases various gases, including carbon dioxide and water vapor. The charred outer layer acts as a barrier, slowing down the combustion process. However, the intense heat eventually penetrates the protective layer, igniting the inner flesh. Whoa! The eggplant's inner flesh, rich in sugars and water, is highly flammable. This unexpected burst of flame is a testament to the power of chemical reactions. Incredible. By observing the transformation of an eggplant through fire, we gain a deeper understanding of the complex chemical composition of vegetables. This knowledge can be applied to various fields, from cooking to materials science. While the eggplant may have been consumed by fire, its legacy lives on. The insights gained from this experiment can help us appreciate the intricate nature of organic matter and its interactions with heat. So, the next time you savor a dish featuring Thai eggplant, remember the hidden potential within. From a vibrant, versatile vegetable to a fiery spectacle, the eggplant's transformation is a testament to the power of nature. What other everyday objects could we explore through the lens of fire? Let's continue our scientific journey and uncover the hidden secrets within. A deeper dive into the health benefits of Thai eggplant. Thai eggplant is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It's a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's explore the various health benefits of consuming this unique vegetable. A discussion of the culinary uses of Thai eggplant. Thai eggplant is a staple ingredient in many Southeast Asian cuisines. Let's explore the diverse culinary uses of Thai eggplant. From stir-fries and curries to salads and dips, a look at the environmental impact of eggplant cultivation. While Thai eggplant is a delicious and nutritious vegetable, it's important to consider the environmental impact of its cultivation. A historical overview of eggplant cultivation in Southeast Asia. Eggplant has a long history in Southeast Asian cuisine. Let's explore the historical and cultural significance of eggplant in this region. As we conclude our fiery exploration of the Thai eggplant, let's ponder the endless possibilities of scientific inquiry. What other questions can we answer through experimentation and observation?